Meaning of discography.
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 Discography. Discography refers to a comprehensive list of all the recordings made by a particular musician or music group. It includes information about the albums, singles, EPs and other types of recordings that have been released up to a certain point in time. A discography typically includes details such as the names of the songs, the recording dates, the record labels, and any collaborations involved in the making of the recordings. It is an important tool for music fans and collectors who want to keep track of the releases and listen to the music in chronological order.